Hello there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for the Schengen visa for Netherlands from Canada. Okay. Now, this is the link you need to come to, netherlandsworldwide.nl, visa the Netherlands, Schengen visa, apply Canada. Okay. And then you scroll down, you see step 1 is check before applying whether or not you need a visa. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and then here it asks me a bunch of questions. How long do you wish to stay? I'll stay for 90 days or less. What country are you national of? I'm from India. And then which type of passport you're traveling on? Regular passport. Do you have a residence permit for Schengen country? No. Do you have valid residence permit for Cyprus? No. Do you have valid Schengen visa? No. Do you meet the condition for immediate family? No. Okay, so it looks like I'm going to need the visa. So visa is required. We'll go to the next step. So the next step is gather the documents you need. So we have, you can fill up the application form and then we can check what documents are needed. I'll come to the filling up the application form, but first I will show you what documents you need. So if you click on this, it'll take you to the checklist, and that checklist is going to show you what all documents you need. So basically, a completed Schengen visa application form. You can click here to get to the form, and then a passport, copy of all the pages of the passport, and then you're going to need the all these basically requirements, like it should be valid for at least 3 months, empty 2 pages, all those things basically. If there are any minors, without parents or with one parent only, then a consent is required. Canadian permanent residence card or a visa. So I have a study visa, so that is valid. Sorry, I have the both study visa as well as the visitor visa. So that's great. And that's my visitor visa is valid till 2027. So that's fine. This is for not returning to Canada. So I'm going to leave that. A photograph, then proof of travel, like round trip ticket. You can actually book the tickets from a website, which is bestonwardtickets.com. This is a very, very good website and reliable website I've used, and you can search for airport, depart, and you can choose a round trip or one way. Okay, so this is a very good website and very reliable. I've got quite a few visa approved with this website, so you can use that. And then bank account statement only for 3 months. I think in India they require for 6 months, but here it's only 3 months required. Salary slip, certificate of employment, but in my case I'm a student, so I'm not going to need all of that. Student researchers, if applicable, this doesn't apply to me. Documents providing ties to Canada, so leave issued by employer. So I don't have an employer, so I'm going to leave that. Education or commitment in Canada, so I'm going to provide my transcript, university transcript, and university enrollment letter as a proof. And your hotel reservation you can do from booking.com, that is cancelable. And stating the name, address, and telephone number of the hotel, including booking confirmation number. Insurance policy, you can take insurance from Indian company also, but I'd rather recommend not, because what happens is if you take insurance from there, sometimes they don't accept it. So it's better to do it from the one they recommend you to do. So they ask you to take the insurance from, let me tell you 1 second, insurer, Insorte, I think, insorte.com. This is the one they recommend. Okay, so you can select your departure country, arrival country, departure date, and return, and then you can buy the insurance. Of course, it's more expensive than what from India will cost you, but at least you know that it's going to be accepted. Because sometimes some countries don't allow you to buy it from a non-Schengen company. Denmark doesn't. So this I'm not sure about. I've not seen Netherlands complaining or saying anything, but it's best that you go for the website they suggest you, so that when you are there, you don't have to come back, or you don't have to buy a new insurance again, because otherwise your previous insurance costs will be wasted. And you know how difficult it is to re-secure an appointment, especially in the peak season. So it's best to go with these guys. They charge you like 80 euros for 1 month, but if you are going for a shorter period, then you can choose the shorter period. It is recommended you take it for 1 month, but it's up to you. Even if you take it for just like 10 days or number of days you're going for, that's also fine. Okay, so that, and then like I said, it's just saying duration of your stay. It's not asking you to do it for 1 month, and at least 30,000. So all of the insurance they provide, they definitely cover for 30,000. That's fine. Residence permit or passport, which gives entry to the final destination. So I have my visitor visa of Canada, so I'm going to use that. Payment of the visa fee. So once you pay for it, I think they don't ask you to pay in advance. You have to go there and make the payment through credit or debit card. Okay, so that's all the checklist. And once you're done with that, you need to create an account over here. So you click on create an account. So I'm going to create an account quickly. Okay, so I've created the account and I'm logged in, and then you need to click on consular services, Schengen visa, and then you need to select applying for Schengen visa, and then click on fill out the application form. So this is where you need to fill out all the application form, which country you're applying for the visa. So I'm applying for, let's say, Netherlands. Which country and do you want to visit? Netherlands. And if you're visiting any other country, you have to add the country. And single or multiple entry. Then privacy statement you have to give. Oh, what's your nationality? So I'll provide that. What day you want to arrive. So let's say 25th of August 2025. You need to basically apply at least minimum 15 days before and maximum 16 days 6 months. Okay, September 2025. Okay, and then read the conditions, go to personal details. So basically you just fill up this application form. You fill up your name, your gender, your passport, date of birth, nationality, and then you can go on to the next, like purpose of travel, documents, all of those things. So this is basic form. I don't really need to take you through step by step. Just let you know this is how you do it. And then you're going to require a certain number of documents. So what are the things that you require? Let me tell you. So if you're a student, you're going to require the university enrollment letter, university transcripts, 3 months bank statements, and then you're going to need the cover letter, passport with all the copy of all the stamps, and also the visa stickers that you had previously. Then you're going to need the hotel bookings for all the days. It's preferable you show at least 2 bookings. You don't just stay at one place and show that you're going to do the entire trip just one place. Preferably at least 2. But if you're going to just stay for 1 week and you're not going to go far too much, then it's okay. But choose your hotel at a location which is closer to your sites that you want to see, because otherwise they'll say that you've taken a hotel like 10 kilometers or 15 kilometers away and every day you have to travel. It doesn't make sense, right? So it has to look genuine, and you need to prepare your itinerary and make sure you put that in your cover letter. Day-wise itinerary, I would say mention the time also. It'll be better if you mention the time of your travel. Then you're going to need the flight bookings. Okay, and then you're going to need the so bank statement is done, university transcripts, cover letter, passport, photographs, photos. Let's just see if we missed anything. Photo, yeah, that's for visa. Passport, yeah, you're going to need the form. So once you fill that, you'll be able to download it. So visa form, and then you also need to go to the VFS Global, which is here. And then after going there, you need to say you want to apply from Canada, and then you want to go into Netherlands, take to the website, and then you need to go for booking the appointment. Click on book now. Then it's going to take you to this page where you'll be able to create an account if you don't have it already, and then you can basically get an appointment. Usually in the peak season, it is hard to get an appointment, so it's better you start soon, so it'll be good for you. And then you're going to need the appointment letter. And then if you have any finance documents like fixed deposits, investments, mutual funds, you can show all of that. Then you're going to need the insurance. And it's recommended that you at least book some of the activities, like maybe a museum ticket, or you can purchase like Adam Lookout. There's a place over there you can book ticket for that, and you can book for a cruise ride, canal cruise, boat ride. You can book. So if you at least show 2 to 3 activities, this will bring confidence in the visa officer's mind about the genuinity of your application. All right. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.